Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're someone who tends to misplace things frequently or worry about losing your valuables, then you're in for a treat today. I'm here to introduce you to the Smart Bluetooth GPS Tracker, a revolutionary device that works seamlessly with the Find My app and is designed to give you peace of mind. With its anti-lose reminder feature, this tracker will ensure that you never leave your important items behind again. Whether it's your keys, wallet, or even your beloved pet, this device allows you to keep track of them with ease. And the best part? It's MFI rated, so you can trust that it's made with the highest quality standards in mind. What sets this tracker apart is its compatibility with the Find My app, making it incredibly easy to locate your belongings with just a few taps on your iPhone. No more frantic searching or worrying about where you left your things. This tracker has got you covered. Not only does it work seamlessly with your iPhone, but it also offers a range of other features, including GPS tracking, a long-lasting battery, and a user-friendly interface. Trust me, once you start using this tracker, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So if you're ready to say goodbye to the stress and anxiety of losing your belongings, I highly recommend checking out the Smart Bluetooth GPS Tracker. Simply click the link in the description below to get your hands on this life-changing device. Don't wait, invest in your peace of mind today.